Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by verifying prerequisites. You have admin rights and a backup of critical files. Open File Explorer and Scan C. For obvious large folders, using a visual tool speeds this up. Empty the recycle bin now, then run disk cleanup and choose Cleanup System Files to remove temp files and Windows Update leftovers. Next, go to Settings Apps and uninstall rarely used applications, sorting by size so you remove the biggest space hogs first. Once initial clean is done, dig deeper. Enable Storage Sense or run a reputable cleaner to clear cache, thumbnail databases, and browser temp files. Make sure to move large user folders like documents and videos to a secondary drive or external disk to free C. If you rarely use hibernation, disable it to remove hyperfill. Sys and reduce system, restore allocation to reclaim space. Just make sure you have alternative backups. To finish, run chkdsk and sfc/scano to repair disk and system file issues that may hide space. Next, run optimize drives. For HDDs defragment, for SSDs ensure trim is active. This helps performance and accurate space reporting. Recheck free space, and if problems persist, use WinDirstat to find stubborn large files. If you still lack room, consider migrating to a larger drive or clean reinstall. One troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode before deleting protected files to avoid permission blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.